3 tips to use digital stickers on your iPhone. 1. Create iPhone stickers in Photos. Select the photo you would like to make a sticker of. Touch and hold the subject that you'd like to create a sticker of and then release. You will get the option Add Sticker. This will now be added to my stickers menu. You can also add effect. I can make it more of a comic or shiny. When you're done, you can select Done. 2. Create iPhone stickers in Messages. Open up the image so it's large and then hold down on the object or image. It highlighted the image. And then you can select Add Sticker and it will be added to your sticker library. If you add an effect to it, it will get rid of the live photo. 3. How to use those stickers. Click the plus button here on the left and then go to your stickers, add a message, and then put your sticker in there. To react using stickers, simply hold down the message bubble you'd like to add a sticker to, select Add Sticker, and I'm adding this Christmas tree there. Let's say I want to take it off, hold down on the message again, select on sticker details, and then use your finger to swipe from right to left to select delete. The other way to use stickers is within your Photos app. At the bottom, I'm going to select the 3 lines with the circles on it. At the top, I'm going to select the pencil within the circle. Turn on markup, which will turn off this live photo. Add my sticker by selecting the gray plus on the bottom right-hand corner. Select Add Sticker, and I'm going to add this to this photo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to Being Classy on YouTube and follow Being Classy on social media to stay connected. I will see you in the next video.